Yeah, oil, Brett. Okay, fellas, let's go.
Well, this morning in Timaru Port here, we're preparing to leave with this 500-ton load of transformer and trailers on the way to Benmore. It's 3 a.m. in the morning, 4 o'clock on the road. Tonight I'm running this first one. It's a large load, it's the biggest load ever moved in the South Island. First one of 4, so it's large. There's a lot of planning, a lot of work been involved in getting this ready, that's for sure. Before daylight, well, we'll be out of town by daylight onto the main road, so it'll take us 2 or 3 hours to get out of there. Put an extra couple of pilots on. We don't need to by law, but we are, just to control traffic.
Yeah, bring it around a bit, Donovan, just a little bit. Yep.
These would be the heaviest loads up this route, even heavier than all the hydro equipment that was taken up when they built the hydros. It's got to be plumb all the time, otherwise the centre of gravity moves away from the centre and loads up the axles on one side of the trailer. You'll notice on a lot of the corners they travel very, very slowly because he's lifting and levelling the trailers, and he's trying to keep the load maintained and in a safe position on all corners.
Yeah, all clear up front. Just coming into the left hand, I mean. Looks your lights going out again. Going around the next left-hander. You're going to let traffic through there, Dave, over? Yeah, clear the corner. Yeah, big C10 on me. Okay, yeah, you'll get following traffic through on the passing bay around the corner.
We've got a wide area on the bottom, and I'm a bit concerned that it's going to be very close to the rock wall on the left-hand side. Close. But it fitted.